Hi everyone! I'm so excited because today I'm talking about my favorite board game, Rummy. This game is inspired by its version of cards. It was created in 1940s for Efran Herzano. In 1977, it was the most popular game in the United States. The game includes 4 playing racks and 106 tiles. Um, these tiles are numbered 1 to 13 in 4 different colors. In my case, I have red, black, orange, and yellow. And we have 2 wheel cards or jokers. Each tile appearing twice. Before we begin playing the game, let's go over some basic rules. You play your tiles in melts or groups on the table in 2 possible ways. 1. You play a round if you play 3 or more tiles of the same color with numbers in sequence like this. It's very important to remember the same color. 1 is only valid in front of a 2 and never after a 13, so this is not valid. You play a set if you play 3 or 4 tiles with the same number in different colors. Like this. Remember, different colors. All colors must be different, so this is not valid. All tiles are shuffled and placed on the table face down, obviously. Each player takes 1 tile. The player who has the highest value gets the first turn. For example, I have 1 and my sister has 8, so she starts.